Hello, fellow Firewood fanatics. This is Chris, and we're in the woodyard today. Change of plans. Yesterday, I finished stacking the big pile you see back there. All those rows of maple are stacked, and today, I want to split the rest of this oak right here. It's about a third of a truckload is left, and I wanted to get it split today. But I came over here, and I was going to start splitting, but I realized something. It's hot out. It's like 88 degrees and I'm right in the sun here. I was gonna start splitting, but I'm already sweating. I haven't done anything yet because it's already the afternoon, so it's warm. And I decided, I look over this way and you know what I see? Look at what I see. Shade. There's shade over here. And all this wood needs to be stacked. So, like I say, I might not be the sharpest stick in the woods, but I'm not the dullest one either. I'm going to stack in the shade, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start right back in here. I'm going to work my way that direction towards the splitter. So I think I'm just going to work as long as I can, and maybe at the end of the day I'll do a little bit of splitting over there with the Eastermade Ultra. Awesome splitter, by the way. And I might do that, but for now I'm just going to do some stacking because it is hot out here and there's very little wind, and I don't feel like sweating until I drop. So I'm going to let the baby rest a little longer here. We're just going to let her sit. There she is, and we're going to go do some stacking. So that's what's going to happen, stacking right now. Here we go. Well folks, the stacking for today has ended. The sun set about 15 minutes ago, so it's starting to get dark out. This is where I started, right behind me here, and this is what I did. This section right here, put a little brace there, and it comes all the way out to here. I don't know how many feet it is, it's just a bunch. I'm thinking it's, I don't know, maybe, could be 16 feet. There could be that long of a distance. And so yeah, I did all that, and then I finished up doing just a face cord right here, and I'm going to do 2 more face cords. I'm going to do a block so I get a full cord right in here, and that's probably what I'll continue doing. I'll leave, you know, like a foot or so, and I'll just keep making blocks of full cords across this direction as I go that way towards the splitter over there. So, and I left a path so I can get through here, and I left a path so I can get through to the other side over here too. And raked up all the garbage, which is in the wheelbarrow right here. I'm gonna go dump that. That's all the pieces from splitting, so that's what I got done. That's what I got to do. So I made just a small dent. I stacked for, I think it was almost 4 hours, pretty close to that. So there's the splitter. There's what's got to be split. Hopefully I can get that done tomorrow. They're saying rain tomorrow, so I don't know if I'll be able to get this cut or not, but I don't really want to split in the rain, but I can stack in the rain. That's pretty easy to do. I just put a raincoat on, but it's miserable when you're splitting because everything's slippery. So anyway, I got some stackage done today. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your finger and you're going to make a slight gesture down. It's a clicking kind of thing, and that's what you do on the like and subscribe button. And the bell, that's important too, hit the bell. I'll be here back tomorrow, right here in the wood yard. Good night, Irene.